5 Best Vacuum Cleaner for Computers. Here is the product number 5. Nipple Dust Blower Ball. "100% brand new and high quality. Super soft and high elastic, very durable. Soft body for powerful and continuous blowing. Ultra-fine nipple made of stainless steel for durable use and direct air very precisely. Air inlet valve designed for one-way air blow. It can clean the dust deeply, very convenient." Here is the product number 4. USB Vacuum Cleaner. Material, plastic. Color, black. Directly into the USB port, no additional power, low noise, low power consumption. Effectively between the dust from the river on a computer keyboard. And to focus on the effective light vacuuming. High-end design, adjustable slightly heavier dust. Here is the product number 3. Super Clean Slimy Gel for Computer. 100% brand new, made from soft gum. Powerful, catches dirt and kills over much of germs. Picks up dust and dirt from computer keyboards, mobile phones and printers. Keep away from direct sunlight, store inside hermetic bags. Easy to use, a must and useful item for a healthy life and family. Here is the product number 2. Mini USB Vacuum Keyboard Cleaner. Directly connect into the USB interface, no need other power supply, low noise, low power consumption. The mini size is easy to clean the dirt at the corner of the keyboard with a small light. You can clean the dust more effectively. The design of adjustable high grade to absorb the heavier dust. Can also remove the dust in the chassis, digital cameras, monitors, main chassis and other IT products. Here is the product number 1. USB Vacuum Cleaners Computers. Mini size, easy to clean the dirt at the corner of the keyboard. Also designed for vacuuming heavier dirt and dust. Great for the cleaning of the keyboard, printer, camera equipment, audiovisual equipment and office electronic equipment. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.